здесь. Приехали в ВБ. Мужчинка красивый. Это пропорции обезьяны. Routan. Давай.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, morning everybody. Everybody, welcome to Routan Island and thank you all for visiting Manawaki Park. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kevin and I will be a tour guide here in the park for approximately 35 minutes. Along the way, if anybody has any questions or any doubts, feel free to ask. On the end occasion, anyone will probably ask my question and that question is way too hard. I will be afraid I will have to make that up. I'm just kidding, everybody. Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you notice right behind me right here, this is the map of our Bay Island, known by the name of Routan. Routan has approximately 36 miles long, 3.7 miles wide in the widest part. Where we're located right now, ladies and gentlemen, right here at Manawar Harbor on the north side of the island. But your cruise ship is located on the south side of the island, which is down here. Coxston Hotel Center, and that pier right there, it was the first pier that started construction in 1998, but the cruise ship starts coming here in 1999. 1998 was the biggest hurricane that we had here in Ireland, Hurricane Mitch Category 5. Now because of that hurricane, we used to have the first and the only factory was founded at that time, was known by the name of the Chiquita Banana. That factory was first started over here. After the hurricane, which destroyed a lot of homes and also the factory, they did not rebuild it back over here. They transferred over to the mainland, extended up in the mountains, way much more bigger. Now it's the same factory up until today, but they only changed the name to the Dole Banana. And that factory is owned by two Italian brothers. By the first stage, Honduras had exported bananas to was to New Orleans. Now it's a worldwide collection. Now the second pier that was found here, ladies and gentlemen, is right over here. Brick Bay, Mahogany Bay, and that pier right there is owned by Carnival Cruise Line. Only the Carnival Cruise or other cruise that works at the Carnival can dock at that pier, and it was formed in the year of 2004. Also in between the two piers, we have a small international airport known by the name of Juan Manuel Galvez. We got direct flight from all different parts of the world. Why? We're in second place of tourism. It's all because we have the second largest reef, Jourdan, Mexico, which is 561 miles long. Also, our island was not formed by volcano. It was formed by coral, exposed. And the most tourism side, the most beautiful side, and a little bit more expensive side will be the west side of the island, which is started from Sandy Bay directly to West Bay. If you visit the community of Sandy Bay, that is where a lot of expats are staying around right there. And also right there is a small resort that's known by the name of Anthony's Fish Resort, which is dolphin and contour located right there. If you folks would like to interact with us for today, that will be the spot. But also, if you like to do different other water activities, you will have to visit in between West End and West Bay, which is also great for snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, parasailing, glass bottom boat, kayaking, or having a nice pina colada next to the water, which is white sand and crystal water right there. Let's go. And also, folks, if you guys would like to do whale shark diving, you will have to visit one of our sister islands, which is this one behind me right here, Lutila. Really great for doing whale shark diving. We have a ferry that takes you back and forward twice a day. But you can also visit each and every one of these other islands that you notice it on the map, except for one, Barbarita, the second to the last. Now that is a privately owned island owned by one man, and that gentleman is from Texas. He's also the owner of the electricity company over here. Now the electricity is the most expensive thing that we have over here because the electricity company is a huge generator that works by gasoline. And right now it's almost $6 a gallon of gasoline. Normally everything over here is a little bit expensive for us because everything has to be imported. Now the only thing that we export, ladies and gentlemen, any different type of seafood. But we does not only eat seafood, everybody. I'm not sure if you've heard before that we also eat up here. Iguana. Yes, folks. Yes, ma'am. Way better than chicken. Yes, folks. I'm not sure if you guys tried alligator or crocodile before. Yes, folks. The iguana is in the same family, the same reptile. But iguanas is much more healthier. Iguana does not eat what a crocodile eat. They only eat leaves from trees. Yes, folks. Maybe a few insects. But it is illegal to hunt the iguanas over here. But once you already have those iguanas catch and eat the pot, you're okay. Yes, folks. The tip is do not get caught once you're hunting. Yes, folks. The reason why it's illegal to hunt because over here we does not have many animals that is native. For example, the monkeys, the macaws, and the sloths that you're going to be interacting with in a few minutes, neither of those are native. All of those are imported from Honduras. So that's the reason why it's illegal to hunt over here. But like I said, you can hunt, yes, to not get caught. If you get caught, you will go 24 hours for each iguana that you have caught. Yes, so trust me, you will like not want to go to prison over here. Everybody, yes, ma'am. So they will put you in a small cell, way smaller than this. And it's made out of concrete. In there, it doesn't have no bed, no restroom, no fan, no water, no nothing. The ones who are going to get something to eat or probably drink is some of your friends or your family goes and takes something for you. If they does not, you're on your own. And if you want to pee, you pee on the outer side right there, and you're going to be all day smelling that. And I can tell by experience. Just so, we allowed to hunt iguanas over here. Like I said, you can hunt, yes, to not get caught. Yes, so. Now also that is, yes ma'am?
How do you cook them?
Oh, that's a good question. We stew them just like chicken. You can grill them anyhow you like, but the best way is stewing them like chicken. So how we cook them, ladies and gentlemen, we cook them a little bit of oregano, culantro, coconut milk, coconut oil, a little bit of hot pepper to bring a little flavor to it, a little curry to bring a little color to it, and different spice. So once you stew with all of that, ladies and gentlemen, on the side you mix your rice and beans mixed together with coconut milk, coconut oil, a little bit of fried plantain, any type of salad that you prefer. We normally go with lettuce salad. And iced tea or lemonade, trust me, you're straight for the day. Let's go. If you guys interested in trying the famous iguana, it's right at your pier. It's not in your pier, it's exit your pier. It's a local restaurant right there, like 2 minutes walk, known by the name of Jungle Top. Locally named Randy's. Let's go. You can try the famous iguanas right there. Not only iguana, ladies and gentlemen, you can try oxtail, beef, pork, jerk chicken, and any other different type of seafood. Yes, so. And also, if you guys decide you want to do any activities like zip lining also, right there is become one of the best zip lining company on the island. We have a lot of zip lining company on the island, but that is the best one because you can do different activities once you're zipping down. Like if you're not scared of height, the tour guides, they make you do back flip, front flip, upside down, Superwoman, Spider-Man. Like if you're not scared, that's the zip lining. Let's go. And you can try any different local food right at that restaurant. Remember, Jungle Top, locally named Randy's. But if you guys forgot the name, all you have to let your driver know you want to try iguana, and that's the restaurant he's going to take you to. Let's go. Now also, ladies and gentlemen, the line that's on the map is our Main Street Road. Same road you go through, same road you'll be coming back through. To get to one end to the other end of the island, it's approximately 1.5 hours to 2 hours drive. I'm not sure if you folks noticed along the way, no speed limits or stop sign. Fast as you want or slow as you want. But normally, everything is legal as long as the cop is not around. Let's go. And the population on the island is 95 to 120,000 people on the island. Now we use the word approximately because every year the number goes up and comes back down because tourism is our #1 industry. Versus tourism, second fishing, and for last construction. So anything with tourism, we does it all here on all of these little small islands. Here on this island, we have 6 months of high season and 6 months of low season of cruise ship. Our high season will be starting in the month of October, which is also our raining season. But at that time, we'll be getting approximately 4 to 5 cruise ships a day, sometimes 10 to 15 cruise ships for the whole week. Let's go. So whenever the cruise ship comes in, it means a more busy days, a lot of opportunity for a lot of jobs for a lot of us over here. Because normally a lot of us, we're trying to go to the cruise, trying to make something for the day before the cruise ship leaves the little small island. Because we depend on the tourism over here. Let's go. Now also, ladies and gentlemen, the native language to the island is English, but Creole English. Why? This was a British island. Now we speak Spanish a lot because now we belong to Honduras. Yes, which is right now you're on an island that belongs to Honduras. To get directly to Honduras is 38 miles away from here. Which is you can travel by ferry or you can travel by plane. The ferry, hour and a half drive, by plane 10 to 15 minute flight. Population on the mainland, 8 to 9 million inhabitants. Let's go. Also, I'm not sure when you guys was coming to the park, you guys be noticing many houses are painted different colors, and a lot of those houses are built up high and top with stilts. The reason why they paint different colors, everybody, no, that is the way we give our address. By the color of our house, is not by number. So to receive a mail or to give a mail, you would have to go directly to the post office, which is at Carlson Hall, 10 to 15 minutes walk to the right-hand side where your cruise ship is located. That is where we have a mayor office, a post office, a schools, a banks, and most of the other grocery stores are located right there, which is Carlson Hall, the capital of Routan. Now the houses are built on top of built up high in starting section because in our rainy season, where mostly houses are built, it gets really flood. So it helps you a lot against the flood and it gives you a lot of ventilation in your house. Because in a lot of us, we would like to have AC because we cannot afford to have the AC because electricity is so expensive. So we want to have fans in the houses. So the higher houses, more ventilation. That's why you notice in many houses will have a lot of windows. We have them wide open because we got a lot of humidity over here. We get up to 85 to 95% humidity Fahrenheit, sometimes hotter than that. And the coldest is 50s or 60s. I know you folks will be in your shirts and we're going to be in sweaters, boots, hoodies, jeans at nighttime. That really take blanket. That is like below 0 degrees over here. We're used to the humidity because we're in a small island in the middle of the ocean. And also give us a great opportunity for building our houses on top of stoves because whenever we're in a rainy season and we wash our clothes and it starts to rain, we have an opportunity to hang them under the houses so they can dry with the wind. Because we will purchase a washing machine but not a dryer. Dryer pulls way too much electricity. So right now in the summer, we have an opportunity to hang them outside so they can dry with the sun. It's cool. Also, anybody has any question? Okay, thank you ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to continue the walking tour by exiting that door behind us over there. Thank you.